Hello friends, welcome back to bisptrainings.com. My name is Sumit and in this video I will be going to demonstrate you how to build ASP.NET MVC application for Salesforce. The idea behind this topic is that I would like to tell you that how we can enable users to sign in into our ASP.NET application by using their Salesforce accounts. So let's start building this. So I open Visual Studio Express 2012 for web, file, new project and select ASP.NET MVC for web application. Click on OK and make sure you select this internet application. OK. So once the solution gets loaded, close this home controller.cs and we need to add the references. So right click on the solution, manage NuGet packages, and here I write developerforce.web. Developerforce.web, and we need to install developerforce.web.login. Install it. Once it get installed, it will add the references to connect with Salesforce. And make sure that you should have a Salesforce developers account. Close it. And you will get a message that Salesforce toolkit for .NET has been successfully configured within your solution. Right click on your application on your solution, get to the properties because we need to find out that what port this application will be going to use. Click on web and scroll down, and the project URL, you can see the port number is 55023. So this application will be using this port number. So I copy this port number, then double click on web.config, and here in this web.config we have this authorization endpoint URL. Move to the end, and here we have values HTTP localhost, and I paste this port number here. Save it. Next, open your Salesforce. Salesforce account. Now here we are going to add a new application. So right click, create apps, and here we have a connected app. So click on new to connected app to create a new connected app. I specify here BISP new app. Connected email, I'll specify my mail ID. Phone number, it is not mandatory, so we can leave it. Logo image URL not required. If it is required, we can add it later on. And then we need to enable this option, enable OAuth setting. So it is requesting for callback URL. This callback URL, we need to specify the URL here, the callback URL. So the callback URL, we copy this callback URL from our web application. So from this web application, I copy this callback URL from here and paste it here. We need to enable, we need to make available for OAuth scope. So select all of them, click on add. Finally, scroll down, click on save. So don't close this window because we need the consumer key and the consumer secret. So I copy this consumer key from here, copy this consumer key, open this solution and paste the consumer key here. And also we need the consumer secret key. So I click on reveal, copy this consumer secret key and paste it here. Paste this consumer secret key here. Next step we have to do is we need to configure it. So I click on view, shared, and login portal.cs, and here instead of login into account I want to login into login. So I set the login here, save it. We need to add one login portal as well. So manage NuGet package and specify here developer force.web, and developer force.web.sample account. So this provides the page and the code to facilitate the process of querying the Salesforce One Platform API and binding result to a page. So this will be help us to log in into Salesforce. So click on install and close it. Yes. So once we're done with all the steps, we simply click on run. So I click on run. So you can see the localhost application has been opened and we are getting one login option. So I click on login. When you click on login, it will take you to the login.salesforce.com. So I specify my username and password and click on login. So after I click on login, I got a message BISP new app is asking to access your basic information and all the information. So click on allow. And you will be redirect back to your localhost application. Now, if we just wanted to check whether we have logged in successfully into Salesforce or not, so I specify and just enter name account. Sorry, accounts. And you can see here by using this ASP.NET application or the localhost application, we would be able to extract, display all the accounts which are available in our Salesforce account. So we have this BISP solution, Gen points, or this record is coming from this account section is coming from Salesforce application. So that's how we can pull the Salesforce data into our web application by building ASP.NET MVC4 application. That's all in this video. I hope you find it interesting. If you have any queries, you can write to us on www.bisptrainings.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel. If you want to know more updates about Salesforce videos, you can connect to us for customized training on Salesforce. We are subject matter expert into Salesforce. Keep watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.